Well, Z, you know what we're doing today? Hey, we're going to continue our search for the most magnificent meatball in the area, which I think I found. But first, Chick-fil-A just came out with something new. They got a spicy sandwich.
They already have a spicy.
Well, they got a spicy deluxe sandwich that we're going to try. I'm thinking about adding bacon to that.
I'm not a big fan of Chick-fil-A, but, I mean...
You don't like Chick-fil-A?
I don't like Chick-fil-A. It's cheap. It's like...
Chick-fil-A is not cheap. It's expensive.
It's expensive for cheap.
Well, they're not open on Sundays. They got to make up that profit margin.
Which is another thing.
They don't support your community?
Yeah. We only eat chicken on Sundays.
No, I meant the gay community.
I'm not gay, man.
Today's just gonna be full of food, man. We're gonna eat all kinds of stuff. Chick-fil-A though, man. I saw the commercial. It's a limited time item. Definitely want to get it before you can, right? Yeah. Look at the line for Chick-fil-A. Come on. It's insane. Are they letting people inside now? I'm going inside. Look at the line. This is crazy. It's a weird world we live in, Z. Chick-fil-A is my favorite chicken nuggets. Did you know that?
Really?
Yeah, man. One of these days, we should just go around and buy up all the chicken nuggets in the area and do another comparison.
Yeah.
Can we just get your new spicy grilled chicken sandwich?
Okay, and did you want to make that with the frozen drink or just by itself?
Just by itself. And if you could cut that thing in half, we'd be much appreciative.
And did you want it with the pepper jack, Cody, or American for the cheese?
I think we have to do pepper jack.
Pepper jack it is.
Alright. Anything else?
I was kind of hoping you'd ask me if I wanted bacon on it.
Did you want bacon?
Why'd you put bacon on it?
Should we put bacon on it?
I don't know why you'd put bacon on it.
Why wouldn't you put bacon on it? We got to put bacon on it.
You got it.
That'll complete my order, sir.
You want any sauces?
Any sauces?
Yeah.
What kind of sauces do you want?
I'm good.
We're good on the sauces.
Alright guys, so it'll be 8:14. Do you guys do motorcycle vlogs?
We do.
Really?
Do you watch them?
I like the road rage and stuff. I just like...
You look like a rager. Smashed a few mirrors in your day, huh?
Yeah, but...
I'm kind of glad we ordered bacon.
Oh, I forgot. You ruined it with bacon. Thank you.
And it's cut in half for you.
Thanks, buddy.
Have a good day, guys.
You too. Look at it. I don't see any bacon.
You pay for bacon?
It was like $8 for this thing.
I see no bacon.
They screw me on the bacon. This chicken sandwich, what is it, hero or a zero?
I'll give it one word. Meh. They forgot the bacon, so they kind of overcharged us. It was like $8.
$8.
Yeah, nothing special.
All right, well, it is what it is, man. A little upset I got gypped out of my bacon, but you know what? They're busy. Look at the line here, man. I'm not even gonna deal. We'll just go. All right, Z, we're about 18 minutes away from perhaps the best meatball in the land. I'll tell you what I really, really like from Chick-fil-A. Their chicken nuggets, and their chicken and biscuits in the morning. Forget it. It's amazing. But for chicken sandwiches, I'm gonna stick with Cane's and Popeyes. Second Reef Deli. That's the destination, man. As far as I know, this place opened up in 2017 and it's very well known for their fresh, awesome sandwiches, specifically a meatball sandwich. When we get to this deli, not only are we gonna get a meatball sandwich, but I'm also gonna ask what their most popular sandwich on the menu is and order one of those too, man. Because you never know. You never know what you're missing. Everybody's driving like an asshole today. Doesn't matter. I get to go to the front of the line. Dude, I'm still thinking about that Chick-fil-A sandwich. Any of you guys watching this video made it out to Chick-fil-A to try it? Let me know what you guys think. I want to know. I want to know. I'm having GoPro issues. Might be a short video. We're at our destination, man. Second Reef Deli, if you didn't know already. I have no idea what recorded or not. I think we're going to be able to eat outside there. That's going to be exciting.
What can I get for you?
We came for your meatball sandwich.
2 of them?
Actually one. What's your most popular sandwich?
I think Dangs maybe.
All right, let's do the number 11 and a meatball sandwich. Could you cut them both in half?
Yeah. Anything else?
2 Dr. Peppers. Thanks.
2638, please. So this meatball sandwich is like filled with meatballs in here. Do you still want me to cut it in half or just full?
Yeah. Please. Look at the size of that thing. $26 for fucking 2 tiny ass sandwiches and a drink. It better be good. It's gotta be. Thank you. You too. All right, the second Reef Deli. We got the padang, we got the meatball sandwich, and
Well, they're called second Reef Deli, more like last Reef Deli, because they're last on my list. Let's talk about the meatballs. I mean, it's a baby sandwich for $9. It's like this big. There's no flavoring in the meat. There's no flavoring in the sauce. That was non-existent. Overall, just super disappointed. I'd say it's definitely last on my list. I don't think I'll ever come back.
this sandwich was so small. When we saw them making it, it was like, that's not it. I thought that'd be on a kid's menu or something, but it's not. This thing was really disappointing. We shouldn't have even come, to be honest. That's the sandwich you'd get from Olive Garden on the kids' menu.
Yeah, it did remind me of a kid's menu sandwich.
Then we asked him what the most popular sandwich on the menu was, and he directed us to a podang. That was good. I liked
I
it.
kind of liked it. I just feel like it was like way overpriced. Not bad of a sandwich. I'd actually, if I was in the area, I'd probably swing by and grab it again. But
At $12?
not for $12.
But yeah, I liked it. I shared that with you, man. It was good. Everything in that sandwich was good. It was just crazy expensive. We got the 2 sandwiches. We got 2 cans of Dr. Pepper. And it came out to over $28. I'm just devastated at today. I mean, even Chick-fil-A was a disappointment.
Real disappointment. Big disappointment, actually.